Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Robinhood Cash Card. Now the process is pretty simple. Make sure to open your Robinhood application, and once you have opened it, you will be seeing like a pop-up or like a home page like this one, investing, which is this one. So from here you can just click on this card or cash type button just below the profile, just like along the profile section. So you can just click on this option, and once you click here, you will be seeing a pop-up like this one. Either you are already on the wait list, or if you're not on the wait list, so you will be seeing an option like this one, introducing the new Robinhood Cash Card, and you can just click on join waitlist. And once you click on join waitlist, this is basically all the steps by them. Like there is no direct option to order the card. However, they will review the information, and you can just click on join waitlist. And once your waitlist time is over, they will basically ask you to provide all the information. Now make sure that your account or identity is already verified. You have provided all the information related to your residence, like your card and your identity. Everything is verified, and after that you can just click on join waitlist. And once you have joined the waitlist, they will review the information and like ask you to like submit the rest of the information if any of them is needed, and they will send you the physical card. And from the application you can just activate the card, which is basically your physical card. So this process is pretty simple, and make sure that you do not try to submit your application again and again. Once you have clicked on join waitlist, you can just click on the join waitlist, and you will be seeing an option like this one. You are on the waitlist. As you can read, impatient, so are we. So this is basically, there are a lot of applications that are being sent to them, so you can just click on waitlist and they will contact you. And this is the process of how you can order the Robinhood Cash Card. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.